My name is Philip Rampisa, the Life and Business Performance Coach. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video. I am so excited. We are just 2 weeks away from launching the Confidence for Success system that is going to train you to improve self-confidence and self-esteem in your life. I'm so excited because this is really going to be life-changing. So keep watching my videos and watch out for the launch because this is really going to be exciting. In this video, I want to share with you 3 reasons why being assertive can help you improve your self-confidence and your self-esteem in life. Number 1, when we have low self-esteem, sometimes we feel unworthy and sometimes we allow things in our lives that we shouldn't allow. So being assertive can allow you to take control of your life, so you've got a strong position about what you'll allow in your life and what you'll not allow in your life. And that can really help you, because sometimes when you have low self-esteem, we allow people to push us around. We're not honest about what we want to say yes to and what we want to say no to. And we let other people take control of our lives. So number 1, being assertive can allow you to take control of your life. That's why it's important for your self-confidence and your self-esteem. Number 2, when you take control of your life, it gives you better focus, because no more will you allow yourself to be pushed around. You'll know what you need to focus on in your life in terms of your goals and your achievements. You'll know the kind of people that you'll allow in your life and the kind of people that shouldn't be in your life. You'll have standards in your life. You'll have higher standards, and you'll know what you want, you will tolerate and what you will not tolerate. And that can really allow you to focus much better on achieving your goals, and it can allow you to focus much better on creating happiness in your life. And that is number 2. Being assertive can allow you to focus much better on important areas in your life, and that can help you improve your self-confidence and your self-esteem. Number 3, being assertive isn't just about being assertive to other people. It's also about being assertive to yourself. When you're assertive to yourself, you'll allow yourself to work harder. If you've set goals in your life, you'll allow yourself to put the hard work to achieve your goals. If you've set up goals about exercise, or waking up in the morning at 4 a.m. and doing sports or exercising, you'll allow yourself to be assertive not to wake up at 9 a.m. when you've planned to wake up at 4 a.m. So being assertive is also about being assertive to yourself and pushing yourself harder to achieve your goals, pushing yourself harder to not compromise to achieving your goals, and having the discipline that is necessary to achieve your goals. Really, those are the 3 reasons why being assertive can help you improve your self-confidence and your self-esteem. So just to recap, being assertive can help you improve your self-confidence and your self-esteem in the following 3 ways. Number 1, taking control of your life. Number 2, focusing better on your goals. Number 3, being assertive to yourself and pushing yourself harder to achieve your goals. Those are the 3 ways in which being assertive can help you improve your self-confidence and your self-esteem. As always, I want to know what you think. So if you like this video, just give me some reaction. Like it. If you want to comment in this video, please comment. I'd like to know what you think. If you're watching this video anywhere else other than my website, please go to my website and subscribe, because I like sharing ideas about how you can take your life forward and achieve your goals. Go to www.philiprampisa.com and subscribe to my newsletter. I wish you so much luck and success in your life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Good luck.